This is Chris Warwick, Mayor of the town of Hanna, and this is another COVID-19 update for April the 23rd. I want to begin by saying a great big thank you and recognize all of the frontline staff at the AHS and RCMP, of course, our volunteer fire department, and the essential workers that we have, the businesses that are still remain open. They're the ones that they're doing a great job, keeping the supplies, the stores shelves stocked, and continuing to sell the goods that we need just to live each and every day. I want to thank Dr. Fortna again for giving us her updates on behalf of the medical staff here in town. I think it's very important that we receive those updates as well. So thank you for that. At our council meeting on April the 14th, we extended the closure of town-owned facilities, including playgrounds, until the end of May. Of course, with the testing that's being done, we aren't seeing a reduction in the amount of cases that are being reported each day. So I think it's important that we continue to follow in line with what the province is recommending. With spring here, of course, many of us want to get out and do some walking. The weather's been beautiful, so I would encourage that. Of course, keep maintaining social distancing. That's important. I think for all of our mental health, it's great to be able to get outside and do something a little different rather than baking in our houses and whatever else it is. Spring cleaning, you can only do so much of that as we go along. So, just get out and be conscious of the people that are around you. Thank you. I have had a few questions regarding some different things within the community that we can or cannot do. One of them was, of course, a garage sale. Can I have a garage sale? Short answer to that is no, you can't. The province is strongly urging that garage sales are not allowed, are not an essential business or essential activity. So right at this moment, you cannot have a garage sale. With that, of course, our spring rummage sale has been canceled for this year. They will have the one in the fall, all things being equal. So you're just going to have to hang on to some of those goods that you're trying to get rid of for a little longer. When will the golf course be open is another question I'm getting a lot of. The grounds crew right now are working hard on getting the course ready to be able to play. Of course, right now the province has said that golf courses are not an essential service, so they cannot open, but they are in the next few weeks going to give an update on some of the policies that they have on some outdoor activities, which will include playgrounds and things of that nature. So we'll just have to keep an eye open for how that rolls along. Is the town going to have a spring cleanup this year? Right now, we don't know for sure. Administration are working on details on how we might be able to make that happen, how we could get it accomplished. So just keep your eyes open on the website, and we should be able to have some answers for you in the near future. We will be having our regular council meeting at the end of April, which is April the 29th at 8:30 a.m. Residents will be able to dial in again and listen to the meeting if you so desire. The phone numbers for those are 1-647-374-4685 or 1-877-853-5257. Once you get through, you'll have to enter a meeting ID. That ID is 891-080-74359. And then you have to enter a password. Unfortunately, this is the way these conference calls are set up, and we don't have a way around that. So the password will be 981662. You'll be able to get that information on our website as well, and I think some of our papers also have the information regarding that. Unfortunately, we are not out of this pandemic yet, but I would encourage you to be as patient as you can and continue doing what you're doing. Residents around town have been excellent. As I've been driving around, and people who are walking that obviously don't live in the same household, they're walking the safe distance apart, and I think our residents are doing a fantastic job of maintaining social distancing and doing what we can to reduce the amount of time we have to continue doing social distancing. So I appreciate that, and just with that, I'll close in saying, continue to get outside and enjoy the spring weather, and hopefully we can get back to whatever normal is going to be as soon as possible. So I want to say we got this. Stay safe and be well. Thank you.